Hey there, welcome back to my channel, AI Bot. Today, I've got a game-changing trick to share with you that lets you access GPT-4, the latest and greatest in AI technology, and it's absolutely free. No premium plans, no hidden costs, just pure AI magic. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your browser and type Sincode.ai into the search bar. Click on the first link that pops up. Once you're on the website, click the Start for Free, create your account. I will simply continue with my Google account. Then click the Go to your dashboard. Sincode.ai offers plenty of options, including personalized data, content generation, and more. These presets are incredibly versatile and can cater to various needs, whether it's for blogging, YouTube, or any creative project. You can generate your images here, generate code, Facebook ads generator, even bugs found in the code. But our focus here is the Marv chat. Click on it. It's pretty much like a superhero of AI tools. This Marv chat uses the latest Google data and gives you real-time info. On the other hand, ChatGPT has only data to 2021. You can see this model option, click this model, and enable the Google search data. So, let's try something. I am asked the Marv chat, give me 10 Hollywood movies released in 2023. So, Marv chat gives the exact result. So, this time I am going to take a test? Is it better than ChatGPT or not? So I ask, what is the current price of Bitcoin? So, it give 28,000 US. Let's check me in the Google. It not exact same, because the Bitcoin price is fluctuated in every seconds. This AI can keep you up to date with real-time information. It's like having a personal research assistant with access to the entire web. Best of all, it's completely free. You can visit Sincode.ai and harness the power of GPT-4 for your needs. It's an AI game changer that's just a few clicks away. That's a wrap for this video. I hope you found this AI hack as mind-blowing as I did. If you did, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more exciting tech discoveries, and I'll catch you in the next one.